Hello everyone and welcome to Liggaamsdele. Wat gaan ons leer? What are we going to learn? We're going to learn my body and what do we call all the parts in Afrikaans. Here we have your gesig. You have hare, ooghare and your oor. Hare, ooghare and your oor, all by your gesig. Then we have your voorkop, oog, neus, wang and mond. By your mond we have your lippe, tong and tande. You have lippe, tong and tande. Then we have your nek, skouer, arm, maag, jippe, vinger and your hand. This is your been, knie is your knee, enkel is your ankle, foot and toon, your toes. And that is all. Baie dankie. Totsiens. Don't forget to like and subscribe.